It was a great class. I enjoyed and I learned a lot. And we had a task and it was really helpful. And can't wait for the next classes. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Tasnim. This is my first workshop. I had a really good experience, learned a lot from the teacher, and it was good interacting with everyone. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Gulshan Sami, and today was my very first workshop at e-speech training. I enjoyed it a lot. The teachers were very, very good, and I understood everything. Thank you.
This is my first experience at EBT, and today I had a great experience with the teacher and also with all the group. All the people are very cooperative, and especially the teacher is very good. I'm fully satisfied and can't wait for tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Mary. Today was a great experience. I love it and enjoy myself. Actually, this experience I had today was just top notch. Then I'm expecting more of this tomorrow and on Sunday. I can't wait to have this interesting and a lovely teaching like this tomorrow. Thanks, bye.
Good evening everyone, my name is Danish. I'm glad that I just joined EBT where I learn everything. Today is my first day where I learn so many things. As a teacher, I'm working still for 5 years, I'm having experience, but today I learn so many new concepts as well where I can build up and develop my career. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Kulsum Fatima and I attended workshop for advanced teachers training, and the teacher was very good and he was explaining very well and all the topics were very clear to me, and also he has experience of I think more than 10 years or 15 years, so he knows very well how to teach with how to behave with students and how to teach them different topics, and overall it was a great experience. Thank you.
This session was quite informative and it was helpful. Being from a teaching background, this was a brush up for me as well as more inputs in order to handle the class in the near future. It was an informative session. Looking forward for the next 2 days session. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Ashley. Today is my first workshop with EBT. It was such a great experience. I could learn a lot of things, especially with the classroom culture, and I'm really appreciate the mentor. He is also explaining from his life-on experiences, being an experienced teacher as well. So I hope at the end of the workshop I get to know more other details and prepare myself to be a teacher where I don't have any experience. Hoping the best. Thank you.